Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we'll discuss about a topic stakeholder. Friend, today's topic is very important with reference to project management, especially if you are a student and you are planning to give exam of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP. So friend, with reference to exam point of view, this is a very important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. At least 8 to 10 questions will definitely be there in the exam which are directly related to the topic stakeholder. So you can understand friend that how much it is important to understand the concept of stakeholder. Secondly friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so again this is very important that you must have to know that who is stakeholder, what are their interests and how to deal with the stakeholder. Friend, as a project manager, your concepts related to stakeholders should be very important because friend, as per the definition, as per the PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, friend, stakeholder is a very important topic. Okay, so now let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Stakeholder. Friend, this topic pertains to project management. Okay, so this is a topic which is directly related to project management. So first of all, we have to understand what is project. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, project is a temporary activity, temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, service or result. That is called as a project. Let's assume that you are implementing a project of e-commerce solution and you have to complete that project within 4 months, and after 4 months the project will finish. Now friend, this is an example of a project. Why? Because see friend, here the project is a temporary thing. It will finish after 4 months. No more resources will be working there. It is unique. Unique means friend that it is a unique thing. You are not repeating the things. It is time bound, like there is a frame or time frame in which you have to complete the project. So now friend, see, as per the definition of PMBOK or project management body of knowledge, project should be time bound. There should be a limit of time frame. Secondly, it should be unique. It should not be a ongoing activity. It should, because if it is an ongoing activity, it will be an operational work. Now friend, coming towards our main topic, stakeholder. Friend, stakeholder is a person who is having interest in project. He may have a positive or negative impact and negative interest in a project. So just see from the here, stakeholder. Stake means that person who is having some stake. Stake means some interest, some share, some interest in a project. So stakeholder is a person who is having interest in a project, positive or negative. He is called as stakeholder. Like for example, you are a project manager in a software house and you have received a project that you have to implement the project of uh, the fund transfer application, like mobile application you have to implement, in which you can do, customers can do the fund transfer or they can do the mobile top up, etc. Okay, so see friend, as a project manager you have a great interest that you want to implement that project successfully. So you are a stakeholder who is a positive stakeholder. Okay, now friend, another person who is working in a bank and he let's assume that the bank, it is the bank who is implementing the project, who wants the mobile application. So now friend, this person is having complete knowledge about the business process of fund transfer. However, he thinks that if this type of project implements, so maybe bank lay off that person, because if all the things would be done from the mobile app, so they don't need a person who is doing the manual working. So he has a negative interest in the project. He doesn't want to implement that project. He wants that project should be unsuccessful, should be failed. So see friend, here he is another person who is who is also having interest in a project, but his interest is negative. he doesn't want to implement that project. He wants that project should be unsuccessful. So friend, see, stakeholder is a person who is having interest, positive or negative, in a project. That is called as stakeholder. Okay, this person would be called as stakeholder who is having a positive or negative interest in a project. Now friend, there are mainly two types of a stakeholder. One is internal stakeholder and the second one external stakeholder. Internal stakeholder are those stakeholder which are coming from within the house. Within the house means friend that they're your own stakeholder from internal side. Internal side means, for example, you are belonging, you are a project manager from vendor side and you are implementing a mobile application. So friend, your team lead, your technical person, your solution architect, your application manager, your QA team, your senior manager, your CEO, all these are the example of internal stakeholder. Just see, from the person are coming from within the house. Another type is external stakeholder. External stakeholder means that the person, people or group outside the business. For example, customers, suppliers, investors, fund transfer, who is providing the funds. So all these are the persons who is an example of external stakeholder. For example, just take an example, like you are implementing e-commerce solution and you need a production server. So you have ordered ABC vendor to provide the production hardware. Okay, so they are providing the hardware, so they have an interest in your project because they want your project successful, because so that their hardware, their machines can be useful. So they have a interest in the project because they are getting the money. Okay, so that's why they are having interest. So these are the example of external stakeholder who is not directly related to project but indirectly they are related to project. So external stakeholder means like any third party vendors who are providing some softwares, some hardwares. Another very big example of external stakeholder is customer who is initiating the project. Users another type of external stakeholder. Like for example, you are implementing a system of fraudulent software who will be used for to stop the fraudulent transactions. So the end users who will be using that system, he will be another example of external stakeholders. So now friend, there are two types of a stakeholder. One is internal stakeholders, like the stakeholder from within the house, and the another type is external stakeholders who are basically people or group outside the business. That is the example of customers, users, suppliers, investors, fund transfers, who is providing the funds, etc. So all these are the types of external stakeholders, friend. Now friend, key stakeholders. Who are the key stakeholder, friend? The most important key stakeholder is customer. Why? Because see, friend, customer is a person who is initiating a project, who is basically the person who is the driving force, who is basically bringing the project actually. So customer, remember friend, one thing, honestly saying, customer is the most important stakeholder of a project, because due to his reasons, due to his business case, the we were be implementing the project. Now the next one is the project manager. Project manager, you think of a project manager as a project leader, a person who is implementing the project. So project manager, either from customer side or either from vendor side, both are very important. Project team members like for example, the database engineers, software designers, solution architect, application managers, QA persons, all these are the types of project team members. So they are also very much important because they are involving in the implementation of project. Project sponsor is a person who is giving the funds for the project, so he is also a very important person. Steering committee member means friend, like from CEO, CO, the CTO. So all these are the level, all these are the persons who belongs to steering committee members, who are the decision makers, who are the persons who takes the decisions about the project. So they are very key stakeholders of a project. Other stakeholder like top management, senior management, operational management, so they are also very important. key stakeholder. Then next one is the resource manager. Resource manager means, friend, the software development manager, for example, the head of resources. Like for example, if you have a division of software department, like software engineers are there, so the head of software division, software engineers are the software development manager, are basically resource manager, like the resources who are directly reporting to that person. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side.